Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to level the legs on your washing machine. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of a problem. This Samsung washing machine keeps shaking. It wasn't like that to begin with. As you can see in my earlier videos, the Samsung washing machine was quite stable, but after a few cycles it started to shake and move around. So if your washing machine is unstable, then you need to basically level the legs to stop it from shaking. So using a spanner, you need to loosen the legs. Yes, the spanner is too thick, so let me just get another one. One moment. And this is even thicker. Oh, can't seem to get the spanner between the bolts there, so this is too thick. Okay, let me get a pair of pliers. Oh. Maybe that will do the trick. And this is even thicker than the spanner, so I'm just going to use a piece of cardboard for now until I find the right size spanner. And yes, I've tried to level out the legs, but haven't got the tools to do that at the moment, so I've done a temporary fix. Seems to be stable. Okay, so let's test it out to see if it will stay stable while it's doing the spin cycle. Okay, so first things first, we've got the clothes in, and I am going to put some conditioner in there. And I should reckon, so that should be enough. Not sure what cycle to do today. I'll just probably stick with the mixed load cycle. So let's switch it on. So if you want to know if it's stable, then please stick around to the end when it does the spin cycle to find out. Ooh.
57 minutes.
So far so good, there's no shaking. I have a good feeling about this, don't you? Okay, it didn't work. As you can see there, the washing machine has moved slightly to the right. And it's just too heavy to push back into place right at the moment. I'm going to have to... Okay, I'm going to have something to eat first, and then I'll be back. And this is for dinner. So as you can see there, it didn't shake or rattle, but it has taken a walk across the kitchen. And if it hadn't been for this wall here, then it would have just carried on across the kitchen floor. So it wasn't a good idea to temporarily put in the toilet thing there that I did. It just made it, although it stopped the shaking and the rattling, it didn't stop it from moving. As you can see, there's quite a large gap now between the wall on the left hand side. And if you're wondering why I can't speak properly, that's because I'm wearing a what do you call it? Okay, whilst I was eating my lunch, I remembered that the Samsung did come with its own spanner. Oh, goodness. So here it is. And I'm now going to loosen the bolts.
Fix.
What do you know? It's working.
Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Okay, so I've found my spanner and I'm now going to loosen it clockwise. So just lift it up slightly because yes, done it. Lovely. Let's tighten that. Far as it will go. Yeah. Oh, all you need is the right tools to do the job. And then it's easy peasy. I think I've scratched the Samsung. Come on, let's try again. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna. As far as it. Okay, so now I'm going to do a test run on the fast wash to see if the wash machine is stable. Okay, let's find out. Might as well throw these in as well. Throw this in. Oh yes, we're doing the fast wash cycle. 15 minutes. Let's press play. Okay, that's it. It looks like it didn't move. So the wash machine didn't move around, it stayed put, and that's great. So if you have a wobbly or shaking wash machine, please make sure you check the legs. Yeah, and just adjust them as I did. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of my next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Love, shine a light to every corner of the world, and we're all shine a light together. Oh.